Today we're going to make some very easy, cool stuff and always al bacio. I'm going to make today a leg lamb steak. I'm gonna cook this leg lamb steaks in coconut oil with some courgette, and I'm gonna caramelize some red onion. That is just a little touch of sugar. I have some Dijon mustard. I'm gonna make a quickly sauce. The pan I put on. Take your leg, just cut in the corner like this. Yeah, like this. And when we cook, stay flat, okay? We put some salt and pepper, how much you like. From other side as well. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. Now, for the veg, we're gonna use the oil. Just this is very quickly, okay? Some oil in the courgette. This is one courgette, but even I don't wanna use all because this is just for the video. Basically, we're gonna fry it. Yeah, leave them to cook 3 minutes. Salt and pepper. And we leave them to brown a little bit, you know? Okay, guys, when they start cook a little bit like that, because they're very thin, white wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar, a little touch. That's it. They're ready, okay? You turn it off and we put in the plate, okay? Yeah, beautiful. Again, a little touch of oil, onion in, salt and pepper, and we use just one pan, okay? This as well quickly. We cook another minute, some sugar, leave the sugar melt completely inside, and this is done as well. Okay, coconut oil inside. Put slowly, you see how much you're gonna need. And the smell is very nice. And we're gonna add the steak inside, okay? 3.5 minutes per side. Guys, the smell is super. And now, from other side, is done. Now, put in the plate. I leave to rest a little bit. Make quickly this sauce. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I add some lemon juice. Some water. The water add slowly. Some pepper. Salt. And mix. You know, you can cut like that. Oh yeah, beautiful. We're gonna add some courgette on the bottom. We add the steak on top like this. Well, I can't wait for try this. A little touch of sauce. Onion caramelized on the top. And the job is done, guys. This is my lamb leg steaks cooked in coconut oil with courgette and caramelized onion. Look at it. It's absolutely fantastic. As always, guys, if you like it and you like this video, finger up and follow us. Ciao!